Welcome to the channel. This is Michael Tucker. Thought everybody might want a little video on what exactly is Tucker's Chop Shop. So check out my video, and I bought a new drone a couple of days ago, so I'm trying it out and get some drone shots of the vehicles I'm working on. So stay tuned. Welcome to Tucker's Chop Shop. I know I've been making videos for a little over a year now. Hadn't talked much to them, been going to some C10 shows, showed my Camaro, some of the projects I've been working on. And I figured it might be a good time to sit down and tell everybody what is Tucker's Chop Shop. It's just my home shop. I work on mostly my projects. I do work on some for some of my friends, but I don't advertise yet. Working at a corporate job, I got a full-time job already. So sometimes you do things on the side. I have a lot of off time during the week, and I like working on cars. I sit at a desk all the time, so this is my relaxation. I've been working on cars since I was young. I'm 55 now. Had 69 Camaro in some of my videos. I've had that car since I was 15, 1985. So it's been through several iterations and improvements, and been in a couple accidents too. It's got a LS2 and T56 Detroit speed suspension underneath it. So we've got an old C10 pickup truck, 83 square body. It's got a 5.3 in it, 4L60. I've drove it to a bunch of events, especially the C10 Fall Revival. I've also got a 91 OBS I'm working on that's sitting in the background. I'm going to lower it with some Timworks flip kit and C-notch, and we're going to probably put a 5.3 in it. The 350 in it runs good, but it's got a dead cylinder, and by the time I fix all that, I think I'm just going to LS swap it. Got a 4L60 transmission to go in it. It's also got a 88 Mustang GT I'm working on, and Tucker's Chop Shop is located inside of Reaper's Repercussion Garage. My friend asked me a couple years ago, he said, I'm gonna build a shop, do you want to rent a bay in it? I said, sure. So I help him with some of his projects, and we just have a good time. He's got a C8 Corvette that we put some spoiler extensions on it, and when he first got it, so I was drilling holes in a new $100,000 Corvette when he first got it. He also put the big picture window up in the back of it for the mid-engine. His wife drives it most of the time, and you can probably see it in the background, but there's a factory 565 Cobra kit car. He's put that all together himself, helping to put the motor together and, you know, do a little QC work to make sure he's getting everything put on right. It's got a 347 stroker motor in it with trick flow heads, intake. It's got a Holley fuel injection unit on it. Got a T5 behind it, 373 gears. It's just gonna be a fun little car. He's got all the mock-up work done. I think he's about ready to take the body off and have the guy paint it. And he's ordered a new project. I'll talk about it later. But he built a shop. It's a 43 by 63 shop. His wife has a gym in it, and he's got 3 bays in it, and I rent one. I got a 4-post lift, and makes life a lot easier, especially when you get 55 years old. And I've been in the cars all my life. I was an auto mechanic for 10 years, and then went to work for the power company. So I've been with them 20-something years. So it's a good job, and you know, you gotta keep your day job and work on videos when you can. And I live on Lake Tillery, so I enjoy hanging out there too. So I thought I'd just give you a little background on Tucker's Chop Shop. I am married, you know, I got a wife. She actually works for the same company I do, so she's works out in the community, and we have a son and got a dog. His name's Scooter, and the son's name's Scott. We enjoy hanging out at the lake, and got a bunch of friends that live here and work here and have businesses here. So if you want to know what Tucker's Chop Shop is, maybe tune in and watch some of the videos. What would you like to see me work on first? Would you like to see some videos on the 69 Camaro? And I think I'm gonna do some autocrossing again next year. Or would you want to see the 91 OBS? Would you like to see me work on it? And maybe do some videos on the flip kit. I think I'm gonna put React spindles on the front, put some wheels on it. Just let me know if you got any comments, what you'd like to see me work on. That's all I got. And if you will, like and subscribe to the channel, help it grow a little bit. I would appreciate anything y'all can do. I appreciate it. Thank you.